Well, good afternoon everybody, welcome back to the channel, Motorhome in Fun. As you can see, we're back out again on another walk, guys. Still day one. Had lunch now, a late lunch. As I say, we've done the little site walk and that, we've done a little bit of editing on it, and thought we'd head out now and take Skye down to the beach for a little playtime. As I say, she's been in the van most of the morning on the journey here, so I think we need to have a bit of time for Skye now. So we'll see if she recognises the beach when we get down here, guys. As I say, it's a stunning beach, beach huts, etc. I'm not too sure on tides, whether the tide will be in or out at the moment and that, guys, but as I say, we're making the most of today. A lovely afternoon. You can probably see the blue skies and that, and it's, as I say, it's currently 21 degrees it's showing on my watch, so not bad. So we're heading down towards the bottom gate, guys, and we'll take the path and through the little woodland area and drop down onto the beach for some playtime. See you all soon. We have got the ball with us, we've got the drones as well, we've got the Mini 4 Pro with us today and the Air 3. Probably mentioned, or you see on a short, guys, after the Axe Bridge drone disaster for me. Had a phone call yesterday saying the drone had fell from the tree, and that, so the kind gentleman has offered to send it back. We won't be able to get it working though, guys. DJI have scrapped that drone, and that we claimed on the flyaway, and they sent me a new one, but it will be nice to have the memory card out of it and the spare battery and the ND filter off the front, so that's good news on that front, guys. So this is the pathway out of the campsite. Probably a couple of 100 metres, and then we're into the woodland area. I will say there's a big dike or ditch on the right hand side there, guys, so possibly well advised to keep your dog on a lead. There's even one on the left hand side, guys, and they're a little bit smelly and stinky. Right, we picked up the frame rate on this little vlog, guys, back to 4K. Internet seems pretty good and strong, so if we can shoot in a better quality we will, and that, guys, yeah. And also we're on the Action 2 today. As I say, this is my all-time favourite camera, which I like using more than the others. Right, this is the pathway. If you keep going around, guys, it will take you to the hide, a lovely little coffee rest place, dining room, toilets and that, and then you can veer off to the left through the Holcombe Beach car park, and that will take you to Holcombe Hall. We have done that on a previous vlog from 2 years ago, guys, so if you want to go out and check that vlog out, do so. We're probably going to do similar on Saturday, possibly. Saturday looks a decent day again. Tomorrow could be iffy, and we probably just spend some time on the beach and a little wander into Wells. Right, so we're going to head through the little woodland forest area now, pine tree area, and head down to the beach. remember which is the best way to go. I know it's directly in front of us, but some of the routes are a little bit more awkward than others. Head straight through, and I think when we drop out to the other side here, guys, we've got the beach huts in front of us. As I say, these pine forests, they'd probably go for about a mile down that direction. Could even be a bit further. Not so far to my right, because that will take you back to the beach car park. It's never too muddy in here neither, guys, because it's a sandy soil, so it does drain pretty well. I think we're heading in the direction we want to be. We'll get a glimpse of the beach huts soon, and hopefully the sea. Right, let's go and find some paradise. Wow, that looks stunning already. Stop for a moment, we'll get a picture. Right, what a beautiful setting. We'll take Skye off her lead now. Let's take you off your lead, darling. Right, head down to the beach. What a glorious day it is now. We're about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Right, and there's all the beach huts, looking beautiful. I say, it's a glorious place this is. You'd think you're in the Caribbean. Right, so it does look like the tide is out at the moment. It's quite far away. We're heading down that way anyway. See if Skye can have a little play in the water. And I want to get the drone up shortly as well. See if we can find this water. Get the drone up as well. See if we can have a nice little flight. Right, so Skye's leading the way down to the water's edge. We did have a flight with the drone, just saying guys, so that'll get posted up on YouTube at some point. Hard to tell how good it'll be guys, and that I was flying quite high, got a few people down there and that, so yeah, it should be okay. Right, see if we can find a bit of water for my girl. The main sea is quite a way out still. Are we going to throw the ball? Are we going to throw it? Good go. Look at that tail going, like a windscreen wiper. Always happy on the beach. Come on then, Skye, let's throw the ball. She's just doing her own thing at the moment.
It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone that makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, never know, she will never know, never know, she'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love
Right, we're going to head back up towards the beach huts. Let's had a little play in the water. I've had my little play with a drone, so everybody's happy. You can probably see this is a little tidal inlet section, so when the tide does come in, guys, you can soon get beached if you're on this side. It's just literally stunning, this place is. If you haven't been, guys, I do urge you to come to Wells-Next-The-Sea. Not necessarily touring in a motorhome or a caravan, but just to come here, have a look. Right, I think we can cross here. Not so wet and squidgy. We'll head back, as I say, show you the beach huts, and then we'll drop back up the steps by the beach cafe and car park. Looks like we're going to have a lot of sand in the motorhome when we get back. Skye tends to sit on the driver's or the passenger seat at the front most of the time, looking out the window. I think she's on a rabbit watch most of the time. Really not sure how many beach huts there are, but there's, I would guess, probably about 200. Every one is different, slightly different colours, paints and everything. They've all got their unique character. You can guess where our walk is in the mornings. We should probably come this way for the next few days. Be a nice little 2-mile walk in the morning.
Should have been honest. It breaks in my heart. It's weighing me down, baby. I'm like a river that's overflowed. The sooner you know it, the less do we hurt. Let me speak the truth. I know you don't want to face it. You think it's too late, but I can see past the rain. Won't you lay it on me? Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big bonfire on the beach with the stars as our lighter.
Oh, where's your other ball, Skye?
Throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame.
Right, I had to go walking back. Skye lost her best ball. These balls are about £6-7, and she found an old grubby tennis ball, so luckily we've retrieved it, but That's Skye for you. Any ball will do.
One step away from salvation. You're like the ocean setting me free.
So we're still walking along by the beach huts.
Picking up speed. No bad thoughts penetrate.
Right, we've got to come off the beach at some point now. We're into a dog restriction area. Got an idea. We could be coming up soon.
Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up a big
Hopefully we can find the steps back up.
beach with the stars as our lighters, and throw our problems in the flame. Throw our problems in the flame. And throw our problems in the flame.
Right, we'll just do a little pan round.
Throw our problems in the flame.
These are probably the best couple of days we've had so far this year.
Can I get some comfort?
Let's hope we don't get let down by tomorrow. And the weather not looking great. They do get it wrong sometime. Right, we're coming to the dog restriction area now, so I think we get off at this lifeguard station and go up the steps. Come on, up here. Right. And this brings you down to the beach car park. Right, you can see the main beach car park on my right, and right at the top here you got the cafe, and there was a Jules outlet store if I remember right. It could be gone now, but it might still be there, guys. I can assure you that car park come Saturday and Sunday will be rammed. You won't get a space in there, but there is one further in town, not the harbour one, guys. Many a year ago I got a £60 fine for pulling in a space. Pulling out again, I was deemed as parked, and they sent me a fine in the post. But there is another one further out, and I believe that's quite reasonable. Right, so that is a Jules outlet shop, and this is the beach cafe. Looks like they're having some renovation work done at the moment. Right, Skye's on a mission. I think we're going to just pop up and see what this new lifeboat station is all about. As I say, this was under construction the last time we were here. Looks like there's a visitor's shop. No dogs pass that way. Built 2022. Yeah, that'll be about right when I last come. Right, we're just having 5 minutes sit down. Just having a look around, a little bit of a rest. Got a couple of phone calls to make in a minute, guys, so yeah, just have a little breather. I was going to get the drone up a minute ago, but just as you do, a few people arrive with fishing rods, so sod's law. Right, well, we just dropped down by the little jetty bit. Sometimes you get some bigger boats pulling here. They used to be the ones what used to go and service the windmills out at sea, but it looks like they put some smaller moorings in now, so obviously that's all changed. Right, we're going to see if we can send the drone up again now. Right, thank you very much everybody. Hope you enjoyed day one, afternoon, little wander, beach walk through the pine woods, having a look at the beach huts, etc. guys. So we'll do more of that in the coming days, and that's so it's about 5:30 now in the evening, so we're going to go back, have a little bit of relaxing evening, get some tea, do a little bit of editing. We've got this walk to edit and 2 drone flights in the bag as well, guys, so plenty of content coming up in the next few days. So thanks a lot, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Bye for now.